Good morning everyone, Abhishek Arora this side from A Square Associates. Today we are here to show you a property which is located in Rampur, Jabalpur. It is a 3 BHK with 3 bathroom, and it's a beautiful flat with a beautiful construction, and the total construction area is approximately around 1400 square feet. The carpet area is around 1100 square feet. You can see the quality of the door which has been there. It's a 3D kind of a door. Please come inside. A spacious drawing and dining. The drawing and dining area is coming up to around 16 by 20. A good drawing dining area space. You can see the fall ceiling work. हर जगह पे fall ceiling का काम हुआ है. Modular switches लगे हुए हैं, lights लगे हुए हैं. A beautiful ventilation part you can see. A big facade also. Then on the right side you can see the kitchen. It's a open kitchen concept जो आजकल ट्रेंड पे चल रहा है, जहाँ पे किचन ओपन्स हैं and people do prefer an open kitchen concept. It's all branded kitchen. You can see the quality of work. It's a brand new flat plus the branded Faber stove and a chimney. The builder has given an RO point also. While coming across, this is the utility area, the washing area, and from the washing area you can see the side view. It is open. It is already, the bungalow has been constructed, so nothing is going to come up in the future. This is the area which is connected to the dining space, so you have a small wash basin also here, like the washing of your hands after having your dinner or lunch, something a guest has come up. So this is the drawing, this is the dining, open kitchen. Please come across. This is the first room. A beautiful door paneling work has been done. This is the room size, which is approximately coming up to around 10 by 14, the room size, along with the dressing area. And a beautiful, you can say a beautiful bathroom with a beautiful space, all branded sanitary fittings. Geyser has also been given to you. A full ventilation has been given in the bathroom also. And you can see in the room area also, a big facade has been given. So a proper ventilation. It's a 3-track windows has been given. So मच्छरों का ध्यान दिया गया हुआ है. Across, this is the second room. This room size is approximately around 12 by 14, a room size, along with the attached led bath. It's again I am telling you, it's a beautiful property with a beautiful location. Again a big window on this side, big window on the other side. A proper ventilation has been given to you. यहाँ पे AC के पॉइंट्स भी दिए गए हैं. फॉल सीलिंग का काम हर रूम में किया गया है. Points has also been given to you. This is the third room, and this is the bigger room. This is the master bedroom. Again the room size is around 12 by 14, along with the attached led bath. Beautiful bathroom tiles. In every bathroom you are getting a geyser point also. And with this room there is a separate balcony also. There is a separate balcony. And you can see the road view also. This is the road view. And basically in a floor you can say only 2 flats in a floor. Total occupancy in the building is around 6. So ये पूरी building में सिर्फ 6 ही flat है. And the property which we are showcasing you right now, it's on the first floor. So that's it. You can suggest your friends, family, whomsoever is interested in a flat right now. This is a beautiful property in a beautiful location, 3 BHK with 3 bathroom, just for 75 lakh rupees. please contact us on the given link and the contact number for the site visit. Thank you very much.
उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी पसंद आई होगी। इस प्रॉपर्टी से संबंधित और किसी भी जानकारी के लिए आप स्क्रीन पे दिए हुए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं। अगर आप भी अपनी प्रॉपर्टी का वीडियो हमसे शेयर करना चाहते हैं या अपनी प्रॉपर्टी हमारे YouTube चैनल के थ्रू बेचना चाहते हैं तो आप हमसे डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। हमारा फोन और व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 7747880040। आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पे भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल प्रॉपर्टी वाला भाई। इससे हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस लेकर आए और आपको ऐसे ही मार्केट की लेटेस्ट प्रॉपर्टीज से रूबरू करवाते रहें। अभी चलता हूं, जल्द ही मिलूंगा किसी नई प्रॉपर्टी के साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग प्रॉपर्टी वाला भाई।